Hello, am I audible? Somebody should acknowledge here. Sorry, I was talking on mute. Am I audible? Sorry, guys, some network issue or something happened. I don't know. Okay, I am sharing my screen. Are you able to see my screen? Okay, I am having employee data and a DPT data. Okay, I need total salaries for the employees, whoever working in accounting and sales. How I can get? Are you understood my question? Okay, can anybody tell me how I can get the data for accounting and sales? Okay, subquery. What I have to write in subquery? Select star from department where. Okay, d name equal to accounting and sales. Okay, d name equal to okay accounting and sales. Okay, is it work? Okay, what is the error? Yeah, we cannot use the equal to operator for multiple values. Okay, next. You got the department details for accounting and sales. Now, my question is what? I need total salaries for the employees, whoever working in accounting and sales departments. So, what you have to do? Where we are having that? Yeah, select star from MP. Where department number equal to. Okay, inside query you can write that one. So, is it work? Instead of star, sum of salary. Okay, sum of salary. Okay, so is it work? We cannot work. Department. Okay, instead of star, you are telling department number, right? In okay, in operator. Okay, next. Okay, still I am getting error. Too many values. Always you need to think of how many columns we are comparing here. Okay, we are comparing one column, right? Department number. So you should select all the times only one column. Okay, you cannot select multiple columns in the subquery. Okay, so now you got the total salaries for the this one. Okay, let me change my question. Okay, I need, I am considering total salary means their salary plus commission. Okay, total salary means salary plus commission. How I can get? Okay, instead of sum you need to write NVL of sum plus commission. Okay, is it work? Comma 0. Is it work? Sum means salary. Okay, here you can write that one salary. You got zeros. Actually, you are having the salaries, right? You don't have this one. Why it becomes zero? Can anybody tell me? Why it becomes zero now? Yeah, null values will not become zero. Null, if you are doing any operation with null values means that will become null, not zero. But here, why we are getting the zero here? See, here we are doing the sum operation with null values. Okay, this value will become null, and with this NVL operator, default value will getting is replacing with your null values with zero. Okay, that's why you are getting the zero. So actually, we should write like this: sum is outside. Okay, salary is outside, and you are having the values null values for commission only. So you need to write outside that one. Okay, now you can get the total values. Okay, this you are clear, right? Everybody is clear, right? This question. Okay, same question. I will change little bit. Okay, in this one, I need sum of their total salaries. Okay, how much amount I am spending on each department. Okay, how much amount I am spending on each department. Okay, for the accounting and sales. I'm not asking for all the cases, only for the this case. Hmm. How I can get that one? Here, how much I'm spending means you need to consider salary plus commission. That is also spending amount only, right? That time I have told only salary, sum of salary. I ignored the commission in this case. Okay, ignore the commission in this case. Okay, now I should consider this time commission also. How much amount I am spending on each department for the these two departments. How I can write that one? Where? Can you tell me query, complete query? Hmm? How I can get the data for accounting and sales? By using this subquery. We can get or not. Guys, am I audible? Okay. How I can get the data for accounting and sales departments? By using this query. Okay. You got this one. Now what you have to do? You can get all the data first from the employee table for this department. Okay. Select star from EMP where DEPT in DPT number in this departments. Okay, now you got the all the data, employee details, all the employee data for accounting and sales that you got. Okay, next my requirement is what? How much amount I am spending on each department? So means what? Hmm? You need to make the group by department number is enough, right? Okay, Department number means each department only, the accounting is separate department, sales is separate department. So simply directly by grouping the department you can get the data. So each department keyword is fine. Now here how much amount you are spending. So if you are doing this one means instead of star you should specify this one and some aggregate value. Okay, what is that? How much amount I am spending. Okay, amount means here your expense. Okay, sum of salary. Okay, here you can get that one. Okay, sum of salary wise, department wise you will get the sum of salary. Actually what I told earlier, we have ignored the commission. Now I want to calculate the commission also. How I can do this function? You can apply here itself. Okay, in the inside the sum. Okay, means salary plus commission. You are doing the total on top of that one. Okay, sum. You will get their total salaries department wide. Okay, total how much amount you are spending on each department. That details you will get. Are you understood this one? Anybody have any doubts in this one? Guys, anybody have any doubts? Clear, right? Next, let me ask. I am having employee table. Okay, I need whoever working under Blake. Okay, as of now, I worked on salary, commission, on all the details with department table. By using department table, I have written the some subqueries. One time, I have used the EMP table itself. Okay, for the getting the details of that specific person department. Okay, now I need, okay, whoever working under Blake, okay, or King. How I can get? By seeing this data. Already one time we discussed this one. Employee, uh, where name equal to Blake, right? What you will get? You will get Blake details. I don't I don't want Blake details. I need I need who is working under Blake. That's what my requirement. Okay. I am having employee data. I need who is working under Blake. Where? Yes. Okay. Manager equal to manager equal to 7839. Okay. How you are telling? 7839. Who is manager? Blake is the manager. Seven. Okay. 7698. Okay. Can you hold 1 minute? Okay. Anybody tell me why he is telling 7698 I need to use here? Other than Balu, anybody tell me why he is telling I need to use 7698? Okay. Blake. Okay. Means his employee number is 7698. Okay. If we are considering this 7698 as the manager number, here. Okay, those employees we can say he is working under him. These persons are working. Okay, like that we can consider. We can do. We can get that one or not. We can use right 7698 as his employee number for the Blake. Okay, okay. If we are using that employee number as a manager, whoever having the manager number as 7698, then we are considering, we can say these persons are working under Blake. This statement is correct or not? Say yes or no. Uh, Okay, that's why he told to use manager equal to 7698. Okay, now you can get the all the details who is working under 7698. I don't know his employee ID, his hard coded value. Okay, if you know the employee number, you can directly you can go and fetch the all the details for the 7698. Okay, who is having a manager number as 7698, I can get directly. I don't know the number, employee number, how I can get. Hmm, don't mind, continuously I'm asking the questions and all, but for your understanding purpose only I'm asking. Okay, department number, why department number came here? DPT number equal to 30. Okay, what will get? Who is working in 30th department? Details I will get. Okay, maybe here it is matching, but okay, but here you are getting the Blake details also, but I don't want that one. Okay, I want only under Blake, whoever working, only those details I need. Means you should use the manager equal to 7698. If you don't know the employee number, again you can try to query again. Okay, this 7698. Okay, what I told, I need who is working under the Blake. So how you can get the 7698? His employee number is that one, right? How you are telling these persons are working under manager? This employee number as a for the Blake is 7698. So that employee number here they are considering they are having as a manager. That's why you are telling. So if you are queried outside these, okay, in the subquery, select employee number from the employee table again. Okay, where e name equal to manager, e name equal to Blake. Okay, if you query this one, you will get the particular employee ID number. Okay, that Blake's employee number you will get. If you are passing this employee number as a manager to the main query, you will get the details of who is working under Blake. You are getting or not? Now see, all the employees are having uh, Blake's employee number as a manager, means working under Blake's. Are you understood or not this question? Guys, respond. All are clear? Everybody is clear? Okay. Let me ask one more question. I need how much amount you are spending on Blake's department. Yeah, you can try. Wait. How much? Let me write question. How much I am spending on Blake's department, okay, or how much Blake is spending, okay, on his department or his employees. Okay, I will change this my question. Okay, how much Blake is spending on his employees? How I can write that query? Yeah, total sir. How much you are he spending means you should consider his commission and everything. Okay, commission also he spend only, right? Spending the amount only. How much Blake is spending on his employees? Select sum of select salary plus sum of salary NVL of commission comma 0, okay, from EMP, where manager equal to select EMP number from EMP, where E name equal to Blake. Okay, now you will get the employee details of this one. Okay, let me execute this one. Why it is giving error? Hmm? Manager in, okay. Again getting some error. Hmm. You should use the bracket here. Okay. Now you will get the how much amount he is spending on his employees. Okay. Are you clear in this one? Anybody have any doubts? Guys, say yes or no. Okay. Each and every point, how many ways will come? Okay. I am asking all the. I am covering all the scenarios with EMP and EPT. This is very important. Okay. I will give you one assignment. Okay, I will create one table. Okay, another table. I will create table. One is student and one is marks. Okay, student table is containing student number, student name, his address. Okay, and his school. Okay, whatever it may, what are the okay next. Okay, these are all the columns is containing the student table. Next, marks table is containing student number, okay, subject, comma marks, okay, MK. Like that, we are having the three columns in the marks table. Okay, let here subjects will be okay. Data. This is subjects will be maths, accounting, commerce. Okay, I am not very good at English here. Don't worry. Don't mind. Okay, commerce spelling wrong. Okay, commerce, science, and English. Okay, like that I am having subjects and student numbers IDs will be 1 2 3 like that it will be. Okay, and here it will be some standard also which standard he is studying. Okay, standard values will be 1 2 3 like that, and S number should be normal sequence 1 2 3 4, but that in that manner. And you can insert the values for S name and address. You can enter the any address, and school name you can enter anything. Okay, I want details of total number of students in specific school. Okay, next questions, these are all. Okay, you can insert yourself data. And next, I need total marks by each department. Okay, each not department, each total each student. Okay, next, hmm, what we can get, who and all fail in exams. Okay, here you can consider the, if any of the subject. Okay, any of the subject marks less than 40 marks, then that student I'm considering as a failed. Okay, next, who got the highest marks? Okay, who is the top ranker? Okay, next, who got highest marks in each subject? Okay, means my intention should be here, who got highest marks in science, who got highest marks in maths, who got highest marks in accounting, like that. Okay, my requirement is. Next, how many students failed in maths? Okay, I need queries for this one. This is the assignment. Okay, you can insert the data. For few subjects are having less than 40 marks, few subjects you can mention more than 40 marks and all. And subjects will be, I have mentioned, right, maths, accounting, commerce, science, and English. Okay, you can specify the student number, 1 2 3 4 5. You can specify the standard. Okay, you can give for all the people same standard. Okay, you can give some 10th standard. Okay, as name you can write yourself anything, and address you can write anything, and school also you can write anything. Okay, you can give different schools, different address. Okay, but school and address combination should be unique. Okay, so you should satisfy the answers for below questions. This is the assignment. Okay, copy everybody and try to write the queries for this one. Okay, anybody have any doubts in today's class? If have, we'll discuss, otherwise we can wrap it. All are clear? What is subquery? Okay, if we are passing the one query result to the another query, then that we can say subquery. Whatever we are using inside the where class, that we can say subquery. Whatever we are getting the exact values, okay, that is we can say parent query. Okay, okay, guys, we'll meet tomorrow. Again, we'll discuss on this one only. We'll try to spend more time on this subqueries because very important. You should be clear. Okay. Yeah, sure, sure, Mano Bala. Okay, let me stop my presentation.